Welcome to Best Useful Tips. Here I will show you how to create YouTube playlist on Android devices. First of all, open YouTube app and sign in with your account. Tap on a profile icon at the top right corner. Now tap on your channel. Now tap on a videos. Here you can see list of uploaded videos. To create playlist or add your video into created playlist, tap on the three vertical dots. Now tap on a save to playlist. Here you can see saved a video, save video playlist already you created. If you want to create new playlist, tap on a new playlist. Now enter title. You want to create a video. Here you can set privacy, public, unleashed and private you want. Now tap on a create. Now playlist created. Now you can see this YouTube created playlist. Go to playlist. Here you can see playlist created YouTube and that video added to your created playlist. It's quite easy to add or remove playlist. To remove playlist, open playlist, tap on three vertical dots, tap on delete. You can also edit and save playlist using this setting in your Android devices. That's it. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get more tips, and don't forget to press bell icon to get latest update.